There is no one else that will tell you what I'm going to tell you.
I'm not a financial advisor.
The creator of Bitcoin created Bitcoin to make money. That's why the creator of Bitcoin made Bitcoin. At some point, now the creator of Bitcoin, it was hijacked. That's what I will tell you. I can't say much more than that. But what I will tell you is very early on, Bitcoin was hijacked, but hijacked makes it sound like it wasn't done willingly. There was a willing transition to the people that took it over. And hey, think about this. Who don't need $70 billion? Who don't need it? Who don't need $70 billion? What I'll tell you, who don't need it? To create a $30 trillion industry or whatever it's going to, the tokenized assets alone is $30 trillion. Okay. Crypto market cap is going to be $10 trillion. And next bull run, it'll be 10, 12, 15 or so. Okay. So the point is they created all this money and it looks like altruistic because, oh, we got all this Bitcoin that didn't get created. But it's so easy to see it. And man, the Bitcoin people will not like this being said because they don't know this is true anyways. They'll think this is some fairy tale. Bitcoin was hijacked. The vision of what it was, even if it was created to make money in the beginning, it was still created in a decentralized way with a vision for what it was going to be. And because of what it was going to be, that's how it was going to make the money. But very early on, it was hijacked. And you can see the change in vision. It's very obvious that what we have today as Bitcoin is not anything like it was originally intended to be. The Bitcoin people, they still try to use it like it was originally intended to. Nobody else does. Nobody else cares. Okay? That's why we have all these institutional vehicles, because people want to invest in Bitcoin. They don't want to use it. Nobody does. Okay? So the European Central Bank laid this out. They're saying action against its investment perception. Instead of positioning it as a means of payment, these advocates liken it to gold, a finance resource viewed as a long-term investment. But they said, the ECB said, in absolute terms, early adopters exactly increase their real wealth and consumption at the expense of the real wealth and consumption of those who do not hold Bitcoin or who invest in it only at a later stage. Listen to the double speak from the European Central Bank. It's exactly what they do, right? That's exactly what they do. But what they're telling you is, you see, because the people that invested at the lowest price in the earliest stage, okay. You see, Bitcoin's not fair because those people make more money than the people that came in at a later date at a higher price and bought. That's every market, everywhere, ever. Every multiverse. That's how it works, I think. I don't know. There might be an upside down multiverse. I'm not sure. But the point is, it's so crazy the European Central Bank say this. It's like, what? Because they want you to think it's a Ponzi because they're buying it all up. Guys, this is now an all-out arms race to get as much Bitcoin as you can. The U.S. government is doing it. And someone obviously twisted their arm to make them have to give the amount that they hold from the Bittrex back to Bittrex. I can't believe that. To me, that is the most shocking thing that I have seen in crypto this year, is that the United States government has like 90,000 Bitcoin from the Bittrex hack, and they're going to give it back to Bittrex, I'm sorry, not Bittrex, it's Bitfinex. I'm sorry, I'm saying it wrong. It's Bitfinex, not Bittrex, Bitfinex. They're going to give the money back to Bitfinex. It's crazy. Like, our government's going to hand over 90,000 Bitcoin to a company that they have assaulted with regulation and suits and lawsuits and all kinds of stuff over the years. Something, I tell you, the senor, he's a bad hombre. I don't know if he did this. I have not asked, but I tell you, it's got his markings all over it.